Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Novareta with name 23 and the last name 90. I will present the case of Jana Widyatmika at PD Mutiara Virgo. Okay, Jana Widyatmika, former employee of the Directorate General of Tax, was sentenced to 12 years in prison for committing criminal acts by the public prosecutor at Attorney General Office. In addition, for the prison sentence, the panel of judges at the Corruption Crimes Court was asked to sentence him to pay a fine of 8 years, 1 billion, and a subsidiary of 6 months imprisonment. Cases chronology. Dana is considered proven to have committed 3 criminal acts. First, the criminal acts of corruption receive gratification in the form of money worth 8 years, 2.176 billion. Dana first action were explained by the prosecutor in the primary and subsidiary indictment. The primary indictment contains Article 12b, Paragraph 1 of the Corruption Eradication Law in conjunction with Article 16.5, Paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code, while the subsidiary indictment contains Article 11 of the same law. According to the prosecutor, on January 11, 2006, Jana received money from Heli Istiharsono worth 8 years, 3.4 billion, which was transferred to the account of Bank Mandiri Nindya Karya Branch Jakarta. The receipt of the 3.4 billion was realized to unfold receipt, namely reducing PD Mutiara Virgo tax obligation. Then, 8 year 1.4 billion of this money was asked by Dana to pay for the house in Heli Istiharsono name. Meanwhile, the remaining 8 year 2 billion was used for Dana personal interests. Heli was also named as a suspect in this case. With the help of the tax official, PT Mutiara Virgo only paid 8 year 30 billion of the 8 year 128 billion it was supposed to. The total money disbursed by PT Mutiara through its director, Johnny Basuki, to tax official received 8 year 20.8 billion. The Attorney General Office also named Johnny as a suspect in this case. Okay, next, case resolution. According to the prosecutor in the indictment, Dana faced a maximum of 20 years in prison. The prosecutor said that there were aggravating and mitigating factor for Dana. The mitigating factor is that he is relatively young, so he expects to improve his action based on the day's demands. Dana will submit a defense note or plea. To the chairman of the panel of judges, the panel of judges gave 1 week to prepare the plea. From the case, tax corruption is a serious problem in Indonesia which costs the country billions of rupiah every year. This corruption case can hamper states' revenues, damage public trust in the government, and create injustice in the taxation system. So much for me, and thanks. Bye.